There is a massive difference between a basic hair removal service and an ultra-premium waxing protocol. In high-end wellness centers, the focus isn't just on removing hair, it's about a clinical 7-step ritual designed for elite skin health. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the ultra-premium Brazilian protocol that premium clients demand. A luxury service never begins with wax. It begins with a clinical analysis of the skin's lipid barrier and hydration levels. We use a specialized pre-cleansing oil infused with calming botanicals to protect the dermis before the first strip touches the skin. This ensures the wax adheres only to the hair, never the live tissue. We utilize a high-performance polymer-based hard wax. This wax operates at a lower melting point. This isn't just for comfort. It's science to prevent thermal trauma. Lower temperatures prevent redness, which is the primary cause of skin fatigue. Watch the elasticity here. It's designed to shrink-wrap the hair follicle, allowing for a one-pass extraction that minimizes irritation. Notice the tension. The flip and pull is replaced by a high-precision vertical extraction to ensure the bulb is removed. This is why premium clients stay smooth for weeks longer. We prioritize the skin's integrity over speed. The most critical part of a luxury ritual is what happens after. We apply a chilled, medical-grade silver-infused compress. Silver is antimicrobial and instantly constricts the empty follicles to prevent bacteria from entering. This is followed by a high-frequency treatment to oxygenate the area and kill any deep-seated bacteria, ensuring zero breakouts. An ultra-premium protocol is an investment in your skin's health. It's the difference between a chore and a wellness ritual. Now you know the secret protocol behind luxury Brazilian waxing. Subscribe for more elite health standards from MTH Health.